Geotechnical services play a crucial role in various construction projects, and Udyog Vihar in Gurgaon is no exception. Located in the heart of Gurgaon, Udyog Vihar is a prominent industrial area that houses numerous commercial and residential buildings. With the increasing demand for infrastructure development, geotechnical services have become indispensable in ensuring the stability and safety of these structures. Geotechnical services in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon encompass a wide range of activities. This information is vital for determining the type of foundation and structural design suitable for the project. Geotechnical engineers conduct various tests and studies to gather data on soil composition, groundwater levels, and seismic activity, among others. Another important aspect of geotechnical services is slope stability analysis. Udyog Vihar is situated in an area that is prone to landslides and slope failures. Therefore, it is crucial to assess the stability of slopes in order to prevent any potential disasters or accidents. Geotechnical engineers use advanced techniques and software to analyze the factors contributing to slope instability and recommend appropriate measures to mitigate risks. Furthermore, geotechnical services also include foundation design and analysis. The foundation is the backbone of any structure, providing support and stability. Geotechnical engineers thoroughly analyze the soil properties and load-bearing capacity to determine the most suitable type of foundation for a particular project. They consider factors such as soil settlement, bearing capacity, and groundwater conditions to ensure a strong and durable foundation. SCON Design is a leading provider of geotechnical services in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. SCON Design stands out as a reliable provider of geotechnical services in this region, offering expertise and professionalism to meet the diverse needs of clients. In many development projects, including Udyog Vihar in Gurgaon, geotechnical services are essential. Udyog Vihar, a well-known industrial district in the center of Gurgaon, is home to various office and apartment complexes. Geotechnical services are now crucial to guaranteeing the stability and safety of these structures due to the rising need for infrastructure development. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, geotechnical services include a wide range of tasks. This information is essential for selecting the best structural design and foundation for the project. Geotechnical engineers do different tests and investigations to collect information on, among other things, the composition of the soil, the level of the groundwater, and seismic activity. Analysis of slope stability is yet another crucial component of geotechnical services. The location of Udyog Vihar puts it at risk for landslides and slope failures. In order to avoid any potential tragedies or mishaps, it is imperative to evaluate the stability of slopes. Geotechnical engineers examine the variables causing slope instability using cutting-edge methods and software.